Hello guys, so back to my video. So today we're going playing tower. So anyways guys, challenge tower. So anyways guys, so if I want to see more videos so make sure to like and subscribe. So anyways guys, we're going to beat that game. So this is the easy game that is called tower. I wanted to beat that game before because there's so many players in upstairs. So I'm going to beat it, but again. So anyways, what's up guys? Okay, so this is the player that they will just stare at this other girl. So anyways, I'm going to beat it so much. Also going to continue build it or just continue beat it, I think. So ano na on come? Do not follow this. Other player, huh? Trying me. And also hit the notification bell. Also see more videos, I think. So why there's so many players there, guys? Also let me know in comments, okay? Okay, so we're going to play the game. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to beat that game. So this is the speed run, I think, guys. Right? I think this is the speed run. Bro, I keep guys, this is the speed run that I think is. But anyways, okay. This is the girl, girl. This girl, Hey you. Hey you. Hey you. She's so fast. She's so fast. I think. No. No. Click. Click. Bro, stop. Bro, click. Nope. 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 Bro, I continue click it because this annoying player trying to just block me and myself. Okay, so let me know in comments or you just wanted to beat it something else. Because I wanted to build a challenge that I wanted to speed on this. Like a shift block I think guys, okay? Right? So anyways, I wanted to be a pro. So you can just like and subscribe. So hit the notification bell and also hit some more videos. And also I'm going to beat it if I get batches I guess. So let me know in the comments, okay? Let me know in the comments. Okay. So what's that? There's a player. What the heck? What the? It's just another thing. But I wanted to beat it so much that I wanted to beat it. What? Okay, so be careful guys. Okay. Be careful. Bro, bro, bro. No, at least I gotta be careful. Be careful guys. See. Oh my god, this one's hard. Okay. Be careful guys. Oh my god, this one's tricky. I think this game's tricky guys. This game's tough. How could I do that? Okay. I think it's easy guys, right? I think it's supposed to be positive. We need to be positive, okay? And so, hello. They say that, hello I think. Hello word I think guys, okay? So, I need to just win this game. I need to win this game for the end of the video, okay? So, when the video ends, okay, can I just do like, how can I do like this? Okay, just do like this. Just when you jump. See, see. Bro, I hear raining outside, okay? I hear raining, guys, right? I think I like, well, I really like, how can I, okay, okay, I need to win this game. Okay, how can I do that? I need to win this game, guys. I need to win this game. We should just be careful. We should just be careful, guys, right? We need to be careful. So, do not fall. Do not fall, I think. So, and also, do not die. Do not die on easy game. This easy game. This is not hard, this is easy. It's now hard, but easy, guys, right? I think I wanted to go like it. Okay, this one's hard, so this, do not. Oh, wait, I do not fall. Wait, you gotta beat it. We did it, guys. We need to beat it so much. In challenge, challenge tower easy. Oh my god, oh my god. How can I do that? Oh wait, I should just do this. Can I go there? No. No, I don't want to go there, I think. How? You know what? I'm going to end. So, anyways, guys, thank you for watching. So, goodbye, guys.